Hello, I'm Leonid, co-founder and CEO of Luminate. My partners and I, prior to founding Luminate, spent over a decade with the world's largest IT security vendor, working with the world's leading companies. What we learned throughout that period is that in the increasingly digital world of today, more and more business interactions shift from a physical world like this face-to-face meeting we're having into a digital one, where people interact with computers. When doing this transition, one very important principle poses a significant challenge. You see, in a physical world, when you give someone access, say an employee gets access to the office, this access is always conditional. You expect the employee to do what they're supposed to do. And what happens if they don't? What if they misbehave? The access probably will get revoked. This principle in the digital world is challenging. Could you imagine, for instance, an employee walking around the office, collecting sensitive documents from other people's desks, and then trying to walk away of the building with all this data? Just broad daylight? No, very difficult. In the digital world, believe it or not, this happens every day in the world's largest enterprises. And the reason for that, unfortunately, is the tools. The tools that are being used by IT organizations to provide access are just built for an access that is much broader than is needed. What's even more interesting, they just provide you access. They have no idea what is going on with the network and when you use it. So Luminate is actually a software as a service platform that is based on software-defined perimeter principles. This is a completely new approach to provisioning access to corporate services that is gaining major traction recently with the world's leading and most innovative enterprises. A couple of weeks ago, Gartner has named it one of the top 10 security technologies for 2017. So the way it works is, first, it makes all of your services completely disappear from the corporate network. You can only access it if, and actually only if, our platform authenticates you and authorizes you to do that. When the access gets provisioned, every action taken throughout the whole duration gets illuminated. It can be audited later on, or it can cause an automatic reaction by a learning flexible mechanism. This thing can be provisioned on top of any existing IT network. There's no need to restructure it. There's no need to deploy additional difficult to manage security appliances. In fact, we can help you get rid of some of the ones you already have there. We can deliver access from any device to any application hosted either in your traditional on-premises data center or especially in the new and very challenging hybrid clouds. We're Luminate. Come and talk to us later and we'll tell you about our customers in various industries and how they deliver precise access to their applications. Thank you.